This case considered the issue of immunity of barristers, and whether or not immunity extended to the advice by a barrister to plead guilty at a committal hearing. The authority of Generali v. Wraith was considered, and the public policy reasons for upholding the immunity. In this case, a man alleged that he had been pressured by his legal aid lawyer into pleading guilty to a charge of rape. However, at the trial he pleaded not guilty. The prosecution relied upon his earlier plea as a submission. The man was convicted but appealed his conviction. The man was eventually acquitted of the offence arising from a misdirection by the trial judge. However, he brought an action against his lawyer on the basis that he had been imprisoned between the date of his conviction and his successful appeal. He argued that his lawyer had been negligent and exerted undue influence upon him to plead guilty. He also argued that the advice to enter the guilty plea was advice that occurred out of court, and so the immunity should not apply. He also argued that immunity protects legal practitioners from actions for damages for negligent conduct that in other professions and occupations would be actionable. The central issue for the court was whether or not the